Okay, so right now we're gonna do the plumbing. So those two is gonna go, but we don't have to remove them. Only this one I have to unhook the sink, and then that's it. Let's see. Turn off this one too. Yeah, just want to make sure. Okay, we're good. Ooh. What happened? Okay, so it's not shutting down completely, so we have to replace that. It's like still dripping, so we need to replace that shut off valve. Okay, let's do this. So I'm just hoping we can just change the head only. Okay. So there's are the two shut off that we bought. That's the reason why I like this one sometimes, because you can always just change it instead of changing the whole thing, right? So you see now. Oh wow, there's gonna be a lot of water here. Wow. Let me hook this, okay, because it's just gonna spray. So we have to drain it out the water. See, look at this. There's nothing. There's no gasket. Normally, sometimes you can replace this one, but not a good idea. Hold on. So you gotta make sure you have to remove the gasket that's inside. Okay, so now let's see this one. See, this one still has it, right? So all right, so this is how you change your bulb easier instead of replacing the whole thing. Yeah. So this is how you change this one easily. This one here, make sure it's clean. I think it's the other one is clean. It was this one. It has. Okay, hold on. Let me lighten up. Maybe it's okay. Yeah, everything is good. So everything is good.
Exact one like this? Yeah, I think no. I think this. Yeah. It's okay. There you go.
There you go. Just clean it out inside.
Yes. There it is.
Nice and clean now. So now the other one, we'll do the same thing. Okay, let's turn on the water. Let's see. Holy shit. Oh man. Wow. I didn't turn it off. Freaking A. I forgot to shut that water. I mean, that shut off. Holy shit. Holy cow. Look again. I made a mess. Oh my god.
Holy cow.
It's unbelievable. All right, everything is good, no leak, but I made a mess. Oh man, I can't believe it. How did I forget not shutting? Look what happened. Oh man, I can't believe it. It's unbelievable.